What's up, everybody? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. As you saw, this is the Kettle Pizza. This is the Gas Pro Edition. This turns your gas cooking grill into a pizza making machine. So this is the Kettle Pizza. It's got a little bit of weight to it. So you're gonna put this on the grill first, allow it to heat up about 10 minutes. Then you put the pizza stone in there so the pizza stone can heat up. Here's the pizza peel that also comes with this. Put the pizza on there to help then slide it onto the pizza stone. The pizza stone will be in here like this. So we're gonna get a pizza going and then we're gonna check back in on it. This is Luke Tailgating Challenge. Get hungry. All right, what's up, everybody? This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. This is the Kettle Pizza. We got it on the pizza peel. We have cornmeal all over this thing to try to make it slide off easy to go in here. We are grilling pizzas today, so come on in here and let's check it out. You can see it's got a thermometer built in. We're almost 600 degrees in there. And you can look down there, that's where the pizza stone is that we're gonna slide in between the hood and onto the stone. So this is the hardest part. Let's see how we can do it. Boom. All right, this is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. Get on in there and look at it one time while it cooks. And we're gonna check back in on it in a few minutes. All right, so you can see this is a great looking homemade pizza. This is the Kettle Pizza Gas Pro Kit. This is what comes out of there. If you love pizza and you're serious about grilling, then check out Kettle Pizza. This is Luke with Tailgating Challenge. It's time to go eat.